Yaman, alam mo ba nangyayari ngayon? Mga corruption for rich people na mayayaman, gumagawa sila ng house in to underground to bunker and the plate movement vert. Doon sila magtatago pag nangyari na ang World War III. So what a time, war before you exist. In war military for nuclear wars. So, andun tayo sa material because your material, like your body, nabubulok at nagiging alikabok. So, pero pagdating naman ng kapangyarihan ng Christ for the earth, the beginning of material, I want to agree, the volcanic activity is lava. Wala silang tatakasan. Susunugin sila ng buhay sa ilalim ng lupa. Kaya mga politician at mayayaman na yan, walang pupuntahan sa earth. Your earth is never run because this is earth in your last moment. So I believe you're certain, rich people, stay and enjoy because you wrong to misdeliver a revolution to the world and I believe you, motherfucker. Go to hell. Thank you.
Balitaan nyo na po ba to? Si Mark Zuckerberg, pati yung ibang billionaires, gumagawa na po sila ng doomsday bunkers. Yung bunkers po ay parang underground shelter na pwede nilang pagtaguan in case na may gera or any other events na sign ng end of the world. Ang tanong po, may alam ba silang hindi natin alam? Sa totoo po, meron tayong alam na hindi nila alam. Alam niyo po, nung nakita ko yan, yung verse na pumasok sa utak ko ay yung Isaiah 2 verse 19. Sabi doon, when the Lord rises to shake the earth, His enemies will crawl into holes in the ground. They will hide in the caves in the rocks from the terror of the Lord and the glory of His majesty. Kita nyo? Alam nyo yung mga taong gustong magtago ay yung mga taong natatakot sa pwedeng mangyari sa kanila sa mundong to. Pero tayong mga anak ng Diyos, hindi tayo natatakot sa mga ganitong bagay. Kasi nakasulat na lahat yan. And Jesus already overcame the world. Kaya mga kapatid, don't live in fear. Kesyo they know something that we don't know. We know something that they don't know. Huwag na rin tayo magugulat kung pasama na ng pasama yung mundo, padilim na ng padilim. Ikaw at ako, we are the light of the world. At saan mas maliwanag ang ilaw? Sa kadiliman. Tayong may relasyon sa Panginoong Hesus, hindi na nakakatakot yung mga end of the world things na yan. Sa katunayan, it's a joy. Kasi kapag umalis na tayo dito sa fallen, corrupted world na to, we will spend eternity with our Heavenly Father. When the Lord comes to shake the earth, His enemies will crawl into holes in the ground. Pero ikaw at ako, we will be standing tall. So go out and shine bright today. Share the gospel, kapatid.